Relaxation at Precise Resort Rugen SPLASH Erlebniswelt nestled in the picturesque town of Sagard, Germany. Precise Resort Rugen SPLASH Erlebniswelt offers a delightful escape for both families and couples alike. With its prime location and a wide range of amenities, this 4-star hotel promises an unforgettable stay. From the moment you step foot into the lobby, you'll be greeted by a warm and friendly atmosphere, setting the tone for a truly memorable vacation. One of the standout features of Precise Resort Rugen SPLASH Erlebniswelt is its convenient check-in and check-out times. Guests can check in from 5 p.m., allowing plenty of time to settle in and explore the hotel's offerings. When it's time to bid farewell, checkout is until 10 a.m., giving you ample opportunity to enjoy a leisurely morning before departing. The hotel's efficient and attentive staff ensures a smooth and hassle-free experience, allowing you to make the most of your time at this stunning resort. Families planning a vacation will find that Precise Resort Rugen SPLASH Erlebniswelt caters to their needs with a child policy that ensures a comfortable stay for everyone. While children may not stay free of charge, the hotel offers a range of amenities and activities designed to keep little ones entertained. From the thrilling SPLASH Erlebniswelt water park to the dedicated kids club, children will have endless opportunities for fun and adventure. Parents can relax and unwind knowing that their children are in safe hands, making for a truly enjoyable family getaway. Endless entertainment at Precise Resort Rugen SPLASH Erlebniswelt. Indulge in a world of excitement and relaxation at Precise Resort Rugen SPLASH Erlebniswelt. This exceptional hotel offers a wide range of entertainment facilities that will keep you entertained throughout your stay. Unwind and socialize at the hotel's stylish bar, where you can enjoy refreshing drinks and lively conversation. For those seeking ultimate relaxation, the salon, massage, hot tub, sauna, and spa facilities are at your disposal. Immerse yourself in tranquility as you soak in the hot tub, detoxify in the sauna, or indulge in rejuvenating spa treatments. Nature enthusiasts will be delighted by the hotel's beautiful garden, where you can take leisurely strolls and breathe in the fresh air. If you're in the mood for some friendly competition, head to the games room and challenge your friends or family to a game of billiards or table tennis. Alternatively, you can relax in the shared lounge/TV area and catch up on your favorite shows.